Let's begin with a simple idea. In everyday life, we constantly measure things. We measure how heavy something is, and we measure how much liquid something can hold. In this lesson, we will understand both weight and capacity. Now imagine you are at a vegetable market. A pumpkin weighs 4 kilograms. The question is, what will half of it weigh? Half means dividing by 2. So 4 divided by 2 gives 2 kilograms. This is a basic but important idea. Whenever you see half, you divide the total into 2 equal parts. Now let's understand how we measure weight. Some objects are light, like a pencil or an eraser. These are measured in grams. Some objects are heavier, like a school bag or a watermelon. These are measured in kilograms. So the choice of unit depends on how heavy the object is. Now we come to a very important rule. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. This means to convert kilograms into grams, multiply by 1000. To convert grams into kilograms, divide by 1000. For example, 3.5 kilograms becomes 3500 grams. If you understand this rule clearly, most conversion questions become easy. Now let's break 1 kilogram into smaller parts. Half a kilogram is 500 grams. A quarter kilogram is 250 grams. So, 2 parts of 500 grams make 1 kilogram and 4 parts of 250 grams make 1 kilogram. A very common mistake is thinking half a kilogram is 50 grams. That is incorrect. The correct value is 500 grams. Now let's understand how a balance scale works. A balance scale compares two weights. If both sides are equal, the scale stays level. If one side is heavier, that side goes down. For example, 50 grams can be balanced using 5 weights of 10 grams each. This helps us measure weight accurately. Different types of scales are used for different purposes. A kitchen scale is used for small measurements in grams. A bathroom scale is used to measure body weight in kilograms. A baby scale is specially designed to safely hold babies. A shop scale is used to weigh fruits and vegetables. Choosing the right tool is part of understanding measurement. Now let's shift to something different. Think about water. Can you place water directly on a balance scale? No. So we use another idea called capacity. Capacity tells us how much liquid a container can hold. Capacity is measured using two main units. Milliliters are used for small amounts. Liters are used for larger amounts. For example, a medicine bottle may be measured in milliliters. A water bottle is usually measured in liters. So just like weight, we choose units based on size. Now you will notice a pattern. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. This is exactly like kilograms and grams. So, to convert liters to milliliters, multiply by 1000. To convert milliliters to liters, divide by 1000. Also, 500 milliliters is equal to half a liter. Once you see this pattern, both topics become easier. Let's solve a simple problem. How many 250 milliliter cups are needed to fill 1 liter? We know 1 liter equals 1000 milliliters. So, 1000 divided by 250 equals 4. This means 4 cups are needed. Now let's understand why measurement matters. A slowly dripping tap can waste 1 liter of water in 1 hour. It may not look like much at first, but small amounts can add up over time. Let's calculate this. In one day, 24 hours means 24 liters of water are wasted. In 1 week, that becomes 168 liters. This shows how small leaks can lead to large losses. Now let's compare different objects based on weight, from lightest to heaviest. A pen, a water bottle, a cat, a gas cylinder, a tiger, an elephant. One important observation. A 1 liter water bottle weighs about 1 kilogram. This helps you connect capacity and weight. Let's quickly revise everything. For weight, 1 kilogram equals 1000 grams. Half kilogram equals 500 grams. For capacity, 1 liter equals 1000 milliliters. Half liter equals 500 milliliters. And one final rule: always check your units carefully and pay attention to zeros.